Today I show you how to find your AirTag and also how to find your bag. I just used this. I was actually trying to find the AirTag to make a video about it, and I didn't know where it was, so I used the function, the beeping function, to find it inside here. You can locate the AirTag if it's somewhere outside, far away from you, with the help of someone else's iPhone, but you can also locate the AirTag by making it play a sound nearby when you don't know where it is. So I'll show you now. It's in this bag. I don't know exactly where in this bag is, but you will hear it. It can be within Bluetooth range or similar, something like, I don't know, 10 meters, 20 meters. The newer AirTags will have a longer range. This is the original AirTag model. First, you have to use the Find My app from Apple, and you can swipe down and search, or if you know where it is, I have it right here. There, you open the Find My app and you can see on the map where you are, and also you can see different information here. You can get information for devices, where your devices are. This iPhone, I have the location for it. For items, the location for items, that's the location for AirTags, and when you tap on items here, you have the location for AirTags, and this is the AirTag. I have one AirTag here, and this is my AirTag, but if it was someone else's AirTag, you can identify this AirTag, get information about the owner, maybe a phone number to call them, or some email address, some contact information. If you found an AirTag, you can learn more by holding the top of your iPhone over until the notification appears. So I could, somewhere in this bag, so okay. The easiest way to find the AirTag nearby is somewhere in a bag or somewhere. You play a sound. Or you can use the Find Nearby function. The Find Nearby function will tell you to move left and right when the item is away. So I will move. Now it's like really 1 meter away. I bring it closer. So I bring it closer. It's vibrating. I bring it closer. Further away. Closer. Further away. Okay, closer. It doesn't really know where I am. 2, 5, 2. Okay, so when I bring it really close, I'm here. It's here. So it found it. So now, yeah, because the item is moving, I have to move the phone and not the bag. So it's here. Should be somewhere. Could even use the flashlight. So it's right here. That's AirTag. That's AirTag. I found it, and this is really easy to find the AirTag in a bag or somewhere under the bed sheets or under the bed somewhere. Usually it's really good. It's a great idea to put an AirTag on things that you want to be able to find at any time, even inside your home. If it's somewhere in another room, you don't know exactly where it is, you can use the AirTag. If you found someone else's AirTag and you don't know who they are and you might want to return them, especially if it's attached to something valuable, you can bring the AirTag close to your iPhone. You can then use the Find My app to see details about this AirTag, about the device. And also you should enable the Lost AirTag mode. You can show contact info and the share item location if you want others to find the AirTag. You can also set a notification. You can also enable notifications when you leave this item behind. If it's your backpack if it's your backpack and you always have it with you, it's a good idea to enable this in case you forgot it somewhere at a restaurant or at a cafe. Your iPhone will tell you that you left your item behind. You can also add a person to the AirTag, and the most convenient option, it's this ringing. It's very, very convenient to find it. Also to find nearby. It shouldn't be moving. So normally it's not moving. Normally it's not moving when you're looking for it. Okay, so it found it. It's vibrating. This is how you find the AirTag, and also you can allow others to find it, and you can set a message. You can enable the lost mode if this is a bag with something valuable, or just your backpack. If it's just your backpack or any valuable items, you can have a message when someone finds your AirTag. They can read the information, maybe a phone number or an email, or they could simply send you a message. So this is my AirTag. It won't do this with my AirTag because it's my AirTag, but with another AirTag, with someone else's AirTag, you could find the information. You could find the information if it's someone else's AirTag. I hope this helps you find your AirTag when you need to, and even if it's not outside, somewhere far away, it's more useful to find things in your home, in a bag, to see where it is. Thanks for watching. Follow the laws where you are, and don't use the Apple AirTag to track people without their knowledge. This is not made to track people, it's made to track objects like backpacks or your camera gear, for example, or any kind of luggage. Important items, but it's not for people, it's for objects. Thanks for watching.